Armed Police Training Center kebadan ke 6 Battalion yang ke Pulit ke Jylla Mekhlea ha Umran River District minta kasi khandatul ulitung arja usau kelap long ya kapasing operate ke basau ha kabala pun ke buram ya shispa saungut ke Pulit on Umran seban nyongut ke follower ke bala pendep ya gaji kai ha kini finance nai ke bala dep ha kini kapasing operate lawan pun ke buram ya kini baru ke bala pendep ya ke training daka DGP jong ke Jylla Mekhlea ikong Aidisha nongrang pada kendika Jylla dalang ru uritu Raj Ravi Komandan jangka 6 Battalion lembut gipat kia Pulit jangka Sarkar Mekhlea habakran naklian jangka DGP kala ai khubla ya kita baru ki Pulit bela pendap ya kecingkai jangki dak bapirang borom ru ya kita ki orang rung thamai syak slam jang sekri pat ba jangka Pulit jangka Jylla Mekhlea kong orang kala ai mesim ru ya ki bakin sim mesim nak jingjob jangki parok jangki bela pendap ya kan jang ai jangki kai ba kumjur khamtam kitu ki beliau khusnam ni ki bala kai lebha hani ka training ki jangki hakini ki brai ki bladan hakati ka jaka slam jing kai na ka mata ka Pulit orang kala angru ba ka jat ni kum ki Pulit ka Mekhlea kinya kendu sibun ki jing ni di bandan pat ya ka jinglong ka akor ka ba khnang bana ban chakri ya ki pat ba ka jing chakri jangki kum ta ki boy bari pe ya ka an
with the squad of 26 personnel led by Battalion Commander Anand Branch, the responsible mid-general veterans of Patna BF. Followed by Battalion Number 2, commanded by UPRC, Luminous Marvin, approaching the dice for Jylla.
On Umran, recruit Constable Umran, Battalion Commander approaching the line.
To address especially the ladies and gentlemen who are here, the families of all the recruit constables passing out today, and most importantly, the recruit constables who are here today. All 104 of you have done yourselves proud. As we stand here today, and after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the Commandant in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon, and you have been given opportunity to learn about various things. As you stepped out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. You will also find that a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the center. You will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with, a choice that will be reflective of the things, the instructions that have been given to you, and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the mega libraries grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we do not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables of mega libraries. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcomed. I would exhort all of the recruit constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of these force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the commandant has said, that you will be a leading light in the mega libraries in the years to come. Once again, thank you, and Jai Hind, Jylla, good day.